Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel YT SEO Specialist. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important part of YouTube growth, On-Page SEO. This is the type of SEO you do inside YouTube while uploading your video. And if you do that it right way, it can help you rank faster and higher and get discovered by thousands of new viewers. Let's get into it. What is On-Page SEO? On-Page SEO means optimizing everything inside your video settings: titles, descriptions, tags, thumbnails, subtitles, playlist. Basically everything viewers and YouTube see when they watch or search for your video. Think of it like dressing up your video so YouTube algorithm says, yes, this content matches what people are searching for. Element of On-Page SEO. Now let's break down the main element of On-Page SEO for YouTube. Title optimization. Put your main keyword at the beginning. Make it clear, catchy, and clickable. Example. Instead of learn SEO, say On-Page SEO for beginners. Rank your YouTube in 2025. Description. Write at least 200 to 300 words. Naturally include your keywords. Add timestamps, links, and call to action. Your description is like a mini blog post. Use it wisely. Tags. Use 10 to 15 relevant tags. Mix main keywords, variations, and long tail keywords. Example: On-Page SEO, YouTube SEO tips, how to rank YouTube videos. Number 4. Thumbnail. Eye-catching, colorful, and easy to read. Use contrasting colors and big fonts. Remember, thumbnails plus title decides your click-through rate. Number 5. Subtitles and captions. Upload subtitles or use YouTubers auto caption and edit them. Help accessibility, improve SEO, and boost watch time. Playlist. Number 6. Playlist. Add your video to a relevant playlist. Playlist rank in search result too. So this is a extra SEO power. Here are some quick pro tips for On-Page SEO. Use your main keyword in the first 25 words of your description. Say your keywords naturally in the YouTube script. YouTube actually picks it up from audio. Use and increase our cards to increase session watch time. Add hashtags in your description for extra discoverability. So to quick recap, On-Page SEO is all about optimizing your video title, description text, thumbnails, captions, and playlist. If you apply these steps, your video will be much easier to find, click and watch, and that means more growth for your YouTube channel. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and comment below which On-Page SEO element do you focus in the YouTube video most. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.